Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Canadian Ilaw.
So guys, today we're going to unbox Chris Ivan's convertible car
Our
seat.
little one, he over here.
See, he is sleeping. So it's from Diono Radian 3QXT. So we're going to unbox, do the installation and review.
Have a review.
So keep watching the video guys.
See ya.
Guys, I'm gonna open the box now.
Car seat. The Diono. How to pronounce that?
Diono.
Diono Radian 3QXT. So this one is it is convertible. What's that? What's it? Car seat. What's that?
From the head side mirror.
Yeah. This car seat is all-in-one car seat. So it is from birth to booster. It is from 1.8 kilograms to 54 kilograms. So it's supposedly like 4 pounds to 120 pounds. So it's basically it's for newborn until 54 kilograms. Oops.
Sorry.
Quiet, please. Chris is still sleeping. So, what we have here. So, newborn facing, rear facing. So, it's 10 years, one car seat, 4 ways to travel. Okay, forward facing, high back booster. Yeah, it's from birth to 1.8 kilograms.
Guys, I already unboxed the box. So this is the main frame for the car seat. It looks like durable, sturdy. It's like the metals are really visible. So yeah, what you can say, it's like worth it. So yeah, so here, what is this? This is the harness strap. Next is the infant support. Anti-rebound bar. Or the rear facing base. The newborn protection insert. The cup holder and harness protection for the infant. There's 2. There's also a side impact management protection. You'll just put this one on the side in case there's a space and you don't want the car seat to move. I'm gonna show you later when I'm gonna install the car seat to our car. So all in all, that's what's inside the box. So I'm gonna set up the car seat before we're going to install it. Guys, so we're gonna set up the car seat with all the necessary parts. from the car seat. So guys, you're just gonna pull this seat. If you hear the click, it's good. So I'll try to put first the base. This is the rear facing base. So you just put it here and you just press this one to install it. So it's good now. And next is the rebound bar, anti-rebound bar. There's two holes in here. You'll just push it and you'll hear the click. That's it. And next, we're gonna put the infant support. So this is the head part and this is from the bottom part. So you'll just insert the lock. This one, you'll just take this off so that it's easier for you to put it in. So we'll just put this in. Yeah, you'll just put it back. By the way guys, the foam for this car seat is memory foam. It's soft. It's like I can feel that I'm comfortable with it. How much more with the babies, yeah. And the harness, you'll just insert this from side to side. Yeah, and by the way guys, you can adjust the head part also. This is for the shoulder protection for the harness. Supposedly,
but supposedly for Canadian safety, it must be
you should
the
not wear this one.
yeah, you should not wear the, what do you call that one?
Harness protection.
Harness protection.
See? Yeah, let's put the newborn protection insert. You'll just put this one on the side and make sure you adjust the head.
How to adjust the head?
Yeah, you'll just press this one and adjust. Right. You'll just put this one on the side like that. Yeah. So yeah, it's all done guys. It's easy. Oh no, one more thing. The cup holder, there's two holes on both sides. It's either right or left, whatever you want. Last thing is the cup holder. There's two holes on both sides. You can put either right or left. This is a harness protection for front facing. The one I showed you is for rear facing for the infant. So, and last thing guys is this one. I'll show you how to install it when we're gonna install it in the car. Guys, we choose this convertible car seat because it's all in one from birth to booster, and it's like the frame is aluminum and it's hard. I think we can use it until our baby's older, I guess. And it's the looks is so nice also, so that's why we choose this one also, guys. So we can use this one from, the weight is 1.8 to 54 kilograms, so it's like 54 kilograms. It's almost at my weight.
Also, we purchased this one at Amazon.
Yeah,
Around how much, I mean?
$549 Canadian.
Plus tax, right?
Yeah, plus tax.
And then we choose the black color.
Yeah, we choose also black color to fit our car, and it's also, Chris Ivan is a boy, and it's like you can see the dirt also.
but first I choose the yellow one. That's my favorite color, but
Yeah, we ended up choosing
the black one. And then they have like 4 available colors only, right?
Yeah, it's black, red, yellow, and blue.
Yeah, the yellow one is so nice. But Ivan wants the black one, so we ended up the black one because he's the one who purchased it. So that's it.
Guys, we're going to the car to install the car seat. Going to install the Diono Radian 3QXT in the car. So it's all set up before. So what we're gonna do is, yeah, we're gonna install it in the car. So first, we're gonna use the seat belt, or we can use the strap. It's located behind the car seat. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the seat belt. So just insert here. Going to the other side.
Going to the other side.
Just keep pulling. So and
then you lock it over there already?
yeah. So
To
it's,
the side.
yeah,
And then
it's all set.
so it's still.
It's all good. This one, guys, side impact management, you'll just put this one on the side
Over here.
Yeah, in here, if there's space, you'll just put it here.
Let me help you.
Yeah.
I don't know if this is correct. There.
Yeah, it's all installed, guys. So if you have comment, or if I miss something, just comment down below. I'm happy
To here.
to hear. Yeah, yeah, it's all good. I know. And also for born protection and insert, you'll just put it on the side here. Here we go. Here. That's it. That's for the newborn.
Okay.
It's all set. Ready to go.
Ready.
Yeah,
Good?
good. It's all good. So,
Okay.
guys, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Canadian nga Hilaw.